Howdy guys, and welcome to today's video. Now today's video is a little bit different from what I've been uploading. I've just been kind of doing ride with me videos, and now I've kind of decided to change it up into sort of like a moto vlog. I own too many cars and too many other vehicles, so I thought I'd show you guys the process of me maintaining and stuff like that. So right now I am on my way to go and collect one of my cars out of storage. That means leaving this car firmly behind, which is kind of sad, isn't it? But it has to be done. So I am currently in my daily car, if you'd like to call it that. It is a 2017 Vauxhall Viva, 1 litre, 3-cylinder, nothing too special. But it does its job. It's really economical on fuel, and it's got 5 seats, which was a big point in me changing my previous car. I am actually retiring this car and sending it away from being my daily driver to being a reserve for journeys like this. Journeys like this require me to have a fair bit of gear on board, jump leads, tools, starter packs, stuff like that, to get the car out of storage. You never know if it's going to have enough battery to get you where you need to go. This car is being shoved to the side, and it also allows other people to use it, like my mum. She hasn't got a car at the moment. We sold that. Gosh, we're in our bad books for that one. So yeah, that's one of the many reasons why. And also because I've got a motorbike now, so the motorbike makes more sense on days like this when it's 26 degrees outside, dry as a bone. You get more economical, like 80 to 90 miles per gallon on that bike, so it just makes sense. So where do I think I'm going to go from now? So I've just renewed the insurance on this car and my car that I'm going to pick up now, the GS. So I won't be getting rid of them for another year. Once I've tied myself into insurance, I don't go back because I pay outright. You can get your money back, but I need to firmly stay where I am for this now. The motorbike I have to keep for 2 years because that's when I can do my full license, because you have to be at the grand old age of 24, and I'm not yet. So that's staying for another 2 years, and then I'm currently in the market of buying a camper van, or something that I can turn into a camper van. This is where my head's at the moment. This is also my aim to show you guys through the diaries of how much work and effort goes into having so many vehicles. It is unexplainably hard. The amount of insurance, the amount of tax, MOTs, services, everything like that it requires you to remember is obscene. It really, really is obscene. Also, another big problem of mine that I'm going to touch on briefly is storage. You run out of storage very quickly. So I'm now currently hiding the GS in around here in a garage that I'm having to pay a lot of money for, but that's the privilege of owning cars, isn't it? You've gotta stamp out and pay for that. If the camera placement is really off on this, I'm completely sorry. I haven't double checked it. I've just stuck the mount down and hoped for the best. Now, what I'm also going to hope for the best for is putting the key in and seeing if she wants to start first time. Now, I'm guessing it's a no, because it normally starts by now. She's going to need a jump start, and this is the pain of owning a classic car. So what I didn't actually realise was the actual complexity of jump starting the car. I never jump started it from inside a garage, and there's no way that I'm rolling that out by myself. So this is what we're working with. The bonnet on the GS comes up this way, and the battery is over here, and my battery is all the way over there. So there, see, I might have to close the gap a little bit more, but yeah, I've got to go from there round there. What I'm surprised about is there's enough battery left for the light to come on when you open the door. Never ceases to amaze me though. I'm really happy to take the L on this one. I'm not overly stressed and worried about getting out in the Micra today. What I'm gonna probably do, take the battery out and put it on a trickle charger at home. I just can't get a good ground on my car here for it to even start, because this is pretty much all plastic. So I'm going to accept that L, and I'm going to accept the fact that I also can't get the battery out because my dad took my 10mm spanner. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope this is a learning experience. It's taken me absolutely ages to edit this video, so if you could smash the thumbs up button just to appreciate the effort I went to get this video up for you guys, and subscribe and turn on the notification button for when I upload a new video. Hopefully I'll see you guys next time.